COVID-19 coronavirus disease caused by coronavirus, which became an familiar virus which is shaking the world by being a pandemic and affecting all our day-to-day daily activities. Everyone is afraid of coronavirus disease. To combat COVID-19, let us see how to prevent ourselves from coronavirus disease. CDC, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, the expert body on coronavirus, has released guidance for general public and healthcare professionals on the symptoms of the virus. What sign and symptom should you look out for a person could be at risk if they have any or all of the following symptoms? Fever, rise in body temperature, lower respiratory illness such as coughing, breathing difficulties, runny nose, loss of sense of smell and taste. Maybe these are the symptoms of coronavirus disease. After traveling to any of the COVID-19 outbreak areas or having contact with someone who was ill and confirmed with the virus, or under the investigation of the virus in the past 2 weeks. The CDC defined close contact as being within about 6 feet or 2 meter, that is approximately 1.8 meter, with the virus infected person. A person without appropriate protective clothing or having direct contact with infectious secretion of a person with virus may get a high chance of virus infection. So, the healthcare provider should have good protective clothing, maintain the distance of 2 meter with patients. Healthcare assistant should take extra care in disposing the biohazards with full safety, such as patient's mask, suits, infectious secretions and health support waste, etc. in the biohazard bin, and it should be destroyed completely. Which people should be extra careful? Coronaviruses are particularly dangerous for the people who have weaker immune systems, like younger children and older adults. And also the patient who are undergoing treatment for lung diseases. How to protect yourself from the virus? Try to avoid contact with people who display symptoms similar to those of pneumonia or common cold, like coughing, sneezing, and having high body temperature. Keep distance of 2 meter and avoid the crowded places. Don't forget to wear mask while you are going out from home. Don't touch any parts of your face, such as eyes, nose, mouth, with your unwashed hands. Precautionary measures like washing your hands with the soap, wiping your hands with alcohol-based sanitizers are the basic necessary steps to be taken care by each and everyone. Solid soaps or liquid soaps can be used for washing your hands. Frequently wash your hands While washing, don't forget to scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. Then wash your hand with water. Are you suspecting yourself for coronavirus disease? If you notice any of the signs and symptoms of coronavirus disease, kindly volunteer yourself for the COVID-19 test by contacting your nearest healthcare professionals. In case of negative result for the COVID-19 test, self-quarantine yourself by being at home for at least 14 days in case of flu-like symptoms. The only current treatment for coronavirus being offered is supportive in nature. Keep your distance for 2 meters, self-quarantine yourself, don't accept guests and also don't be guest to others. Social distancing is the only way to prevent ourselves from coronavirus and also being safe, stay at home. Stay at home, self-quarantine yourself, share this video to spread this information to your loved ones. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.